Where Kerala nurse Nimisha Priya, sentenced to death in Yemen for the 2017 murder of a Yemeni national, has been granted a last-minute relief. Her execution scheduled for the 16th of July was postponed following intense back-channel diplomacy, religious interventions and also renewed appeals to the victim's family. Now, Nimisha Priya claims she administered a drug overdose in an attempt to retrieve her passport after enduring abuse and threats from her business partner. The victim died and she was convicted of murder. With India lacking formal diplomatic presence in Houthi-controlled Yemen, the case relied on informal negotiations, spiritual outreach and also offers of diya, which is also called blood money. The stay offers a sliver of hope. In fact, time is still running out. Nimisha's lawyer, Subhash Chandran, is joining us now. Mr. Chandra, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. First of all, congratulations for this relief. It is tentative, I know, but how are you looking at this? What kind of legal options remain now? Is there a possibility that the execution could be stayed, could be overturned, could be commuted? What is your expectation?
Yeah, actually, first of all, the Nimisha Priya International Action would like to convey our gratitude and thanks to the people of Yemen, the administration and the judicial system of Yemen for staying this execution process against Miss Nimisha Priya. So now the judicial order has been passed by the Yemen judicial system, means postponing the execution proceedings against Miss Nimisha Priya until further orders. So now we have got the breathing time and we would be proceeding with the negotiations with the victim's family, and we can pursue the victim's family with our offers, and we are ready to tender our unconditional apology to the victim's family and seeking pardon from the victim's family by paying the blood money. So yes, we are hopeful we can save Nimisha Priya from the gallows by effective negotiation process.
Right. Mr. Chandran, what kind of efforts really do you think led to this temporary relief? Because we saw the Grand Mufti of Kerala speaking out. We saw the Indian government also make a lot of efforts. We saw the Chief Minister of Kerala also issuing a statement. Your council has also been working on this to save Nimisha Priya. What really worked?
In fact, in here, we would like to convey our thanks to the government of India too, and the many other agencies, many other means very prominent persons who helped us in this negotiation, the parallel negotiation process. Especially, we would like to name the person, Mr. Kandapuram Abubakar Musliar, who is a Muslim prominent cleric from Kerala. Who has helped us a lot in this negotiation process. In fact, yesterday, the government of India, the Union of India, through Attorney General, submitted before this Honorable Supreme Court that there are some limitation for the government, the Union of India, in this matter. So we have explored our own channel. We started our negotiation with the victim's family directly, through with the help of this Marcus in Kerala and Mr. Kandapuram Abubakar Musliar, and we could establish a hotline through the counterparts in Yemen. And fortunately, yesterday the victim's brother came to the negotiation table the first time, and the negotiation went in the late night also yesterday, and today morning also the negotiations took place. And thereafter, the administration decided to pass an interim order staying this Nimisha's execution proceedings. So now we will have to convince the entire family. According to Sharia law, only single person cannot take a decision on the plea of this blood money. So the entire family has to come together and accepting our offer. So now we will have to talk to the family members of the victim, and we are hopeful we can convince them and we can save Nimisha Priya from this death row.
Mr. Chandran, so it's good news that for the first time the victim's brother is part of negotiations now. Can you tell us a little bit about what is the victim's family thinking? Is there anything that the brother has conveyed which has also led to us, raising our expectations?
I would not like to disclose the entire details about the discussions, because it may affect the future discussions with the family. But yes, I can tell to an extent that there were some pressures from the groups like the tribal groups in there, and the tribal groups belongs to the victims family. They were reluctant to go ahead with the negotiation process. That's why the family didn't come to the negotiation table yet. Now we could, as I said, we could establish a hotline to the some senior most political leaders and religious leaders in Yemen, and they forced, or they could convince the victim's family to, and that's why now the victim's family is ready for the blood money negotiations.
Right. Mr. Chandran, how is the family of Nimisha Priya looking at this? I'm sure you're in touch with them. And also, is there any specific message that Nimisha Priya has conveyed?
Yes, we means the Nimisha Priya International Action Council and Nimisha's family is in touch with Miss Nimisha Priya in a limited manner. We are getting she's getting some time the mobile phone access in the jail. So that time she's sending messages, and we are also replying to her messages. We are also updating about our initiatives. So fortunately, today we could partially win our game or our efforts. So now she would be she and her mother, Miss Prema Kumari, would be the most happiest person in this world today. So anyhow, with the support of media, Indian media, with the support of the Indian government, and with the support of many other prominent and means the persons from Kerala and other parts of world, we are we are going ahead with the blood money negotiation, and we can hope the best.
Right. Mr. Chandran, just to clarify for our viewers, is blood money the only negotiating tool at the table now?
Nimisha Priya is sentenced to death by a Yemeni trial court in 2020, and that order was challenged in a Yemeni first appellate court in 2022. And in 2020, we filed the appeal, and 2022, the Yemeni first appellate court dismissed the appeal. And thereafter, we approached the Yemeni Supreme Court with an appeal, and which was also dismissed in 2023. So now all the legal remedies are exhausted. And now only the way means to save her life is the blood money negotiations only. And according to Sharia law, that is the option of the victim's family. They can accept the blood money and pardon the accused, or they can deny also. That's their option. So we will be again. I am repeatedly saying that we will be pursuing them. We will be trying to convince them, and we will be seeking the pardon from them by tendering our unconditional apology as well as offering the blood money.
Right. Mr. Chandran, my last question to you. When is the next hearing expected? Is there going to be any hearing, or is the decision of the family going to be conveyed to you? And what is your appeal to the government and also to other influencers, in India? What is your appeal to all of them?
Yeah, in fact, we would like to urge the Indian government again to do the needful whatever the diplomat whatever ways through the diplomatic or non-diplomatic channel, and we expect the Indian government will do their best. And yes, obviously, Grand Mufti and other prominent leaders, religious as well as political leaders from Kerala, they are also means we are getting means support from them. So we will be in touch with the family. We will be through this hotline. We will be having the discussion with the family, and hopefully, I think. And there is one more thing. There is no more hearing in this matter. This administration has stayed this order till further orders. So this is not there is no further hearing in this matter, as all the legal remedies are exhausted. So we will be getting some more time, and the next date will be deciding in accordance with the discussions, the blood money negotiations in there. So hopefully we are expecting there may not be a next date of hearing in this matter, as we can save her from the gallows.
Right. Subhash Chandran there, Nimisha Priya's lawyer, speaking to NDTV. Nimisha Priya may have escaped execution for now, but her life still hangs in balance. And clearly, where diplomacy has been limited, there are humanitarian efforts, as outreach that's happening, back-channel negotiations that are also helping Nimisha Priya in this case to escape the gallows.